What's going on, guys? Noah Luke here with MarineMax over in St. Pete, coming to you live once again on the Sea Ray 21 SPX, powered by Mercury Marine. Here on this boat, we have the upgraded 200 horsepower Mercury motor. Coming in toward the cockpit, you'll notice we have two bucket seats. This particular bucket seat can be changed to a 3-port lounger. There's a few different options that we can use for Sea Ray. Coming forward to the captain's chair, you have complete access to your Fusion Control radio, 9-inch SIMRAD screen to get you around safely. And coming up to the bow of the boat, 2 speakers, plenty of space to relax and enjoy some tunes out the sandbar. Come on, I'll show you a closer look at the storage this boat has. When you buy a boat through MarineMax, we give you what's called a Go Boating Kit, and that's everything you need to be U.S. Coast Guard approved out in the water. From fenders, flares, life jackets, emergency equipment, you name it, you got it. This is the perfect storage spot for it right here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Noah Luke with MarineMax here in St. Pete, 6810 Gulfport Boulevard South. This is the Sea Ray 21 SPX. We'll see you out in the water.